Hello and welcome back to another Andrew Marson Fitness meal prep. Today we are going to be cooking a beef burrito bowl. You can use this with rice, put it in wraps as enchiladas. It's an excellent versatile meal, high protein, high carb if you want, easy for bulking, ideal for cutting as well. Just adjust to suit. Also stick around to the end if you want to get a nutritional freebie, and let me know below if you enjoy the video. These are the ingredients required for the recipe. So we'll get some Michelin steak mince, some seasoning mix for chilli, some mushrooms, onion, pepper, and 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, some garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and also some rice that's cooking. And if you're making the enchiladas, just use some whole wheat wraps. I'll show you them. 1 second. So that's them there. Mission Deli whole wheat wraps. So first thing I'm going to do is just cut up all this veg. The rice is on the way in the background. It takes 10 minutes to boil roughly, but you can just kind of check it as you go. Just going to cut all this up and then start weighing out the beef, and I'll show you weighing out the beef in a second once all this is cut up. You see here, that's the veg now cut up. Just set that to the side. I also cut up the veg for the Cajun chicken pasta recipe I'm making today. Again, time saver, just cut them up at the same time. All I've done is measured out 500 grams of beef, because I'm going to be making 4 servings, 2 with rice, 2 for the wraps, at 125 grams of beef each. So next part, that's just been heating for a couple of minutes. In goes the beef. Use a big pot if you're cooking this in batch. Again, it takes the same amount of time to cook one as it does 2, so that's what I suggest. And then I'm just going to throw in all the seasonings, so the chilli mix is going to go in its entirety. Then I'm going to put some garlic, good bit, not really measuring it out or anything, and some salt and pepper. Apply a bit more in, just to try and kind of speed this up for us. And just continue to stir that about for probably 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to brown, and then I'll just add in the veg as well. So that's had a couple of minutes, you can see most of it's reasonably browned. Just going to add in the peppers, onion and mushroom, give it a good stir about, and then leave it again for another probably 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll add in the tomatoes and just simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. You get 4 portions of beef made up for the week. Make it with rice, make it with wraps, whatever you want. Ideal, tastes amazing, and it's very simple. So the beef's had a couple of minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, or with the tomatoes and stuff, mushrooms and onion in as well. Just going to add the 2 tins of tomatoes in, give that a good stir about, and then simmer it for about 5 to 7 minutes probably. Just give it a good stir about, maybe add some more seasonings in, I'll give it a taste. That's the beeper going off for the salmon, if you can hear that. And that's as simple as it is. I'll show you the finished article in the next clip. Just going to show you this very quickly so you can get an insight into what I'm doing. So I've got the rice here that's going to go with the beef. I've also got chicken tikka, which I made last week and just pulled out the freezer. So all I do then is weigh out this. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, camera's fell. So I just weigh out this, zero the scale, put it all into there, and then I'll portion it into 4 servings, because I know that's how many I need. Just divide it by 4 and that's it. Simple as that. I've got 2 meals from last week that I made because I made bulk at the time, and again, that's how you save more time, just by doing things like that. I'm just going to portion these out evenly, and that's it, good to go. So this is the last portion here. That beef is now ready. It had 10 to 5 to 10 minutes simmering. So all I'm going to do is pour it into this container, trying not to spill in it. And I'd mentioned 2 would be with rice, 2 would be with the wraps. You can see the 2 rice sitting in the back here, so that's 1546. I don't know if you can see that number, but 1546, so divide that by 4 is like just under 400 each. So that's all I'm doing, is then just putting just under 400 into each. That should be sitting at 1200. And then the same again for that one. Just leave 800 in the tin. And then I know that's me got roughly even portions. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. You should be tracking all this and monitoring all this anyway, so you will catch the most of it. I'll show you the finished article in a second. So that's the beef there. And again, the other two make the traps. Hopefully you've enjoyed this meal prep. If you want to know more, see more meal preps like this, please leave a comment below, or any suggestions. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed. Also, I said there'd be a nutritional freebie at the end, so for anyone struggling to build muscle, I'm going to send you over my free muscle building nutrition document. This is the one I give to my clients, so leave a comment below, just say muscle building nutrition, and I'll send that over for free. But also, for anyone who's interested, I do offer one-on-one coaching services. Let me know. There'll be plenty of meals in it like this, tailored to your needs. So let me know. But hopefully you've enjoyed it. See you in the next one.